Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing streaming errors on Discovery Plus and can't watch content, follow these troubleshooting steps to fix playback issues and restore service. Step 1. Check if Discovery Plus is experiencing server outages by visiting downdetector.com and searching for Discovery Plus. Widespread outages require waiting for the service to be restored by the provider. Step 2. Verify your internet connection is working properly. Try loading other streaming services or websites. You need at least 5 Mbps for HD streaming on Discovery Plus to work without errors. Step 3. Close and restart the Discovery Plus app completely. On most devices, force quit the app from your device's application manager, then reopen it to establish a fresh connection. Step 4. Clear the cache and data for the Discovery Plus app. Go to your device's Settings app's Discovery Plus storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove corrupted temporary files. Step 5. Sign out of your Discovery Plus account completely, then sign back in. This refreshes your authentication tokens and can resolve many account-related streaming errors. Step 6. Uninstall and reinstall the Discovery Plus app. This ensures you have the latest version and removes any corrupted installation files that might be causing playback problems. Step 7. Check for software updates on your streaming device. Outdated system software can cause compatibility issues with the Discovery Plus app and lead to streaming errors. Step 8. If the error persists, contact Discovery Plus support through their website or app. Provide details about the error code, your device type, and when the issue started for faster troubleshooting assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.